Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add privacy settings to your trip created on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button down below in the right side corner and click on trip plans in the middle of the screen. Then select your trip, tap on it, and after that you should click on this more button next to the share icon. Tap on it and click on privacy settings, which is the third option. Here you can set your trip to public, meaning that anyone can view it, or to your friends, meaning that it allows users you follow and who follow you to check out your trip to your selected destination, or you can set it to completely private, meaning that it's only you can see it. Tap on the relevant one and then it will be changed, so its status will be changed automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.